Hello, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Wait a minute, I'm saying that completely wrong. Namaskar. Kaise ho? Theek? Mera naam Stephen hai. Kya aap Hindi bolte hain? Han? What's up, everyone? I know everyone watching this is probably going, did he just speak Hindi? Yes. But anyway, the video that I'm doing today has been highly requested for probably the last 15 years on my channel, mostly and only from people in India. And it's going to be of this very, very popular actor, Shah Rukh Khan. I hope I'm saying that properly. But it was posted 3 days ago on his Instagram page of his haircut. So as you can see here, it's, the fringe is a bit longer, down halfway almost to the bottom of his nose. If it was straight down, it's brush sided. So it's kind of like a medium length layered haircut. And I'm going to do that tutorial today. So watch along while I cut it, and then I'll break it down at the end.
आँखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी आँखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी आँखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी
All right, everyone, here is the finished haircut, and I'm just going to break down what I did. So obviously you saw that the mannequin hair was a lot longer. when I first started. So I actually started right here in the side to create my perimeter. Now this is tucked behind the ear, which has sometimes looks like it's cut around the ear, but actually if you just go like this, you can hide all that hair. So what I did is cut this probably to about the base of the ear or a little bit longer right in through here, which allows me to create this type of look. Then I did the same thing on the other side and then created my angular section going down into the back. So it's like this, right? Like that. I cut the front a little bit, and as I mentioned before, it's probably to about the tip of his nose, right? Maybe a little bit longer in that recent photo I showed you all. And then what I did was I started to create the layers. So I held up a section straight up from the head right in through the top back. I split the hair down the middle, and I took one section here, another section horizontally right under it, brought everything straight up, did the same thing on that side to create a perfectly even shape and layer. Then I connected everything going vertically by pulling all the hair out from the head. If anyone wants to know how long it is, I really don't know to be precise, but I would say this is about at least 6 inches or so, 5.5, 6 inches in length here. And I did the entire back the same way, going a slightly shorter towards the bottom and the nape area. I then went in and I created diagonal sections going, left to right, right to left, and really held everything out to make sure that the haircut was even. I also went back and held the hair out horizontally and cut everything. And that's really how you get this perfectly balanced, even shape. Really, really an extra step in a haircut, but gosh, I can tell you it really helps as far as the balance. Then I matched up and blended in the top to the back right in through here, so I have a seamless transition going from this into this, so there's no harsh lines. Then held everything straight up from the head horizontally till we got towards the front. And then I worked on the corners and the sides. So there's the top, the corners, and the sides. This is pretty much all a rounded shape to kind of follow the head shape. I like to cut hair that way just so that it grows out much better and there's not any awkward kind of phases or anything like that. Here's another look, kind of how he has it, which was in the face a bit more like that. And I didn't really blow dry the hair. So if you do, you can blow dry it completely. But what I did do is go in and use my crafted blow dry cream, which is an amazing styling product. It's great for blow drying, but it's also really good for leaving in styles like this if you want to let it air dry. So that's kind of what this is. And a lot of times you think the hair has tons of product in it, when in reality it's just because it just air dries and it's wet. So that is the finished haircut. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you are from India. If you can tweet this out to him, if he sees this, that would be great. It would be an honor for him to see it. I love the Indian culture. I have for many, many, many years. And I'm excited to have done this, and finally, after years and years of people requesting it. So stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bahat, Dhanyavad. Okay, Dhanyavad, Fir Milenge. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.